अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, माय नेम इज़ फ़रहीन। आज हम पढ़ेंगे साइंस का लेक्चर 1 एंड द टॉपिक नेम इज़ डिजीज़ेस एंड देयर कंट्रोल। व्हाट इज़ डिज़ीज़? डिज़ीज़ होती क्या है? व्हाट इज़ अबाउट द डिज़ीज़? जब कोई कहता है कि मैं बीमार हूँ तो इसका क्या मतलब है? इट मीन्स दैट वी आर नॉट फीलिंग वेल, आवर बॉडी इज़ नॉट फीलिंग गुड। हमारी बॉडी सही काम नहीं कर रही। मीन्स डिजीज़ इज़ अ डिसऑर्डर इन द फंक्शन ऑफ द बॉडी। हमारी बॉडी में अगर कोई भी फंक्शन वेल नहीं हो रहा, सही नहीं हो रहा, इट मीन्स दैट वी आर नॉट feeling well, we have a disease, we have a kind of infection. Now, what are the types of diseases? There are two types of diseases, infectious and non-infectious. There are two types, infectious and non-infectious. Infectious disease. What is infectious disease? Infectious disease is when it is spread from one person to another person through any contact. Maybe it could be a direct or indirect. Infectious disease फैलती है किसी भी कॉन्टैक्ट से, चाहे वो डायरेक्ट हो या इनडायरेक्ट हो। ठीक है, सबसे पहले हम इसकी डिटेल पढ़ते हैं कि इन्फेक्शियस डिसीज़ जो फैलती है बाय डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट वो कैसे फैलती है। Of course, when a disease is spread, it is spread by the microorganisms, bacteria, virus or fungi. Now, the direct contact means direct touching of the body, and indirect means through any contact like vector. It could be a mosquito, flies or any insect. The example of it is, it could be a malaria. Malaria is an infectious disease which is spread by the mosquitoes. And other indirect contact is food or water. Food or water become contaminated by bacteria or virus. When a contaminated food is eaten or contaminated water is drunk by anybody, it cause a disease like typhoid. Typhoid is a fever. The third way is air. Air is also a way through which infectious disease can be spread. For example, tuberculosis, with a short form of is TB. Tuberculosis is also a lungs infection which is spread by indirect contact through air. When the germs are spread from any infected person through sneezing or coughing, and when a healthy person inhaled, then these germs also get in the body of a healthy person, and he or she could also be an infected person of tuberculosis. As we told that causes of the infectious disease are microorganisms, and microorganisms are bacteria, virus and fungi. Now, what are the non-infectious diseases? Non-infectious diseases are those diseases which are not spread by these microorganisms by any contact. These are not spread from person to person or any vector. What are then causes of these non-infectious diseases? It could be a poor diet and the pollution or the drugs, or any or factor could be for these non-infectious diseases, and the examples are cancer and diabetes, etc. Now we talk about the preventive measures for diseases. Wash your hands with soap and water before eating and after using the bathroom to remove germs. हमें अपने हाथ धोने चाहिए सोप से और पानी से, खाने से पहले भी और वॉशरूम यूज़ करने के बाद भी, ताकि हमारे जर्म्स ना रहें। नंबर 2, ब्रश योर टीथ ट्वाइस अ डे. ईटिंग फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स हेल्प यू टू स्टे स्ट्रॉन्ग and fight off different diseases. Number 4, make sure to drink safe and clean water. Number 5, cover your mouth with tissue while you sneeze or cough, ताकि आपके जर्म्स एयर में ना जाएं. Stay at home if you are feeling sick. अगर आप बीमार हैं तो घर में स्टे करें ताकि आपके जर्म्स दूसरे लोगों को ना पहुँचे. Number 7, take a bath regularly. Number 8, keep your surroundings clean to keep germs away. Number 9, dispose of your garbage properly. Number 10, taking proper sleep will help your body to stay strong and healthy. Number 11, playing activities keep our body fit and strong. Number 12, get vaccinated to protect our body from diseases. Use of science in everyday life. Science is the most important part in every field of our life. Every food, medicine and tool we are using today is the invention of science. Chefs, dietitians and food manufacturers use science every day to make sure food is tasty, healthy and safe to eat. For example, chefs use science to know how different ingredients react when mixed or heated, like how baking soda makes a cake fluffy. Dietitians use science to understand the foods which makes our body strong and healthy. डाइटिशियन भी साइंस को यूज़ करते हैं ताकि पता चल सके कि हमारी बॉडी के लिए कौन सा फूड ज़्यादा हेल्दी है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, knowing that fruits and vegetables also give us different vitamins. पता लगाया जाता है कि कौन से फ्रूट में कौन सा वाला विटामिन है, कौन सी वेजिटेबल में कौन सा विटामिन है, कौन सा और न्यूट्रिएंट है जो हमारी बॉडी को फिट रख सकता है और हमारी हेल्थ अच्छी बनाता है. फूड मैन्युफैक्चरर्स क्या करते हैं? अप्लाई साइंस टू इन्हांस द शेल्फ लाइफ ऑफ फूड, ताकि जब हम वो फूड खाएं तो वो हमारी बॉडी के लिए स्ट्रेंथ दे सके, such as adding ingredients to keep food and snacks fresh in the packets. Okay, now we move to the exercise. First question is, choose the correct answer. Our body has army of dash blood cells, white blood cells. Diseases are of dash types. How many types? 2 types. Which of following is contagious disease? Which is contagious disease? Fever. Healthy food gives us power to kill. Healthy food किस चीज़ की पावर देता है? जर्म्स को किल करने की. Which one is non-contagious disease? कौन सी non-contagious disease है जो स्प्रेड नहीं होती एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन को? That is diabetes. Now the question number 2, fill in the blanks. Malaria is a dash disease. मलेरिया कौन सी डिजीज़ है? It's a non-contagious disease. Means that it is not spread directly from one person to another person. It is indirectly spread through mosquito. Number 2, dash diseases transfer from one person to other. कौन सी डिजीज़ हैं जो एक पर्सन से दूसरे को स्प्रेड होती हैं, ट्रांसफ़र होती हैं? These are called contagious diseases. Number 3, dash is a non-infectious disease. Non-infectious disease कौन सी है इनमें? Cancer. Number 4, we should brush our teeth twice a day. हमें एक दिन में 2 दफ़ा अपने टीथ ब्रश करने चाहिए. Number 5, baking soda makes the cake dash. What is that? Fluffy. Answer the following questions. What do you mean by disease? Disease is a condition in which any part of our body does not function well. How contagious diseases are spread? Contagious diseases are spread from one person to another by touching infected person, food, or any object. Write any 3 names of non-contagious diseases. Following are the 3 non-contagious diseases like cancer, heart diseases, and diabetes. Number 4, write main causes of non-contagious diseases. The main causes of non-contagious diseases are poor diet, drugs, pollution, and smoking, etc. Write any 2 preventive measures to avoid diseases. It could be brush your teeth twice a day, take a bath regularly. होपफुली आज का लेसन आपको समझ आ गया होगा। घर में आप लोग इसकी रीडिंग करें, इसकी प्रैक्टिस करें, क्वेश्चंस की लर्निंग करें ताकि आपको ये अच्छी तरीके से समझ आ सके।